May I come in, sir?
Come in, please.
So may I sit?
Sit down.
Thank you, sir.
What's your name?
So my name is Lipika Sharma.
Lipika Sharma.
Yes, sir.
So, Lipika Sharma, tell me about yourself.
So I have completed my 12th from PCMB, and I am hardworking, disciplined, and eager to learn. And I have a basic knowledge of computer skills, and I know something about PBX, and I have prepared for CBSO Grade 2 role.
Which board you pass out from 12th
CBSE,
class?
sir.
Okay, CBSE. What is the full form of CBSE?
Sir, Central Board Secondary Education.
Central Board Secondary Education. What is the school name?
So my school name is Samvit Gurukulam Girls Sainik School.
Sainik School.
Yes, sir.
Where is this?
Sir, it is in Vrindavan.
Vrindavan.
Yes, sir.
What is the famous dish of Vrindavan?
Sir, pede.
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 Do you eat peda?
Yes, sir.
How much like to eat?
Sir, I don't like that much sugary things, but I like it.
Okay. So you live in Vrindavan,
Yes, sir. I live
the
in a
city
hostel.
of God.
Yes, sir.
I think
Krishna.
the city of Krishna. Okay. So what you learned from there?
Sir, the nature and the locality and जैसे कि मैं थी सैनिक स्कूल में तो मुझे वहाँ के कुछ कुछ रूल्स डिसिप्लिन एंड एवरीथिंग अबाउट
आपने वृंदावन से क्या सीखा?
सर मैंने वृंदावन से सीखा एक होना कि कैसे हम एक साथ मिलके यूनिटी सीखी मैंने फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल कि कैसे हम अपने कल्चर को आगे बढ़ा सकते हैं यूनिट होके एक साथ मिलकर एक साथ सारे फेस्टिवल सेलिब्रेट कर कर और वहाँ पे बहुत सारे जैसे कि रिलीजियस लोग हैं वहाँ पे बहुत सारे मंदिर हैं तो वहाँ से बहुत पीसफुल जगह है वो अच्छी है।
Do you have any experience of Sainik School?
Yes, sir.
What
So I have
was
a
it?
lot of experience about Sainik School. I have do very much things there. I am a boxing player, and uh, I have used to start boxing from my Sainik School only. And I have basic knowledge about Indian Army, the army routine, and everything.
Okay. Do you have basic routine of army routine?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, no problem. Do you meet any personal officers?
Yes, sir. I have met many officers, brigadiers, and lieutenants, and everybody. I have
Uh,
personally met Lieutenant Journal also. So
you tell me to anyone which is very aggressive to you.
no, sir. There is no one aggressive for me because there in army politely.
All kind of people are
हाँ,
polite. Okay,
polite.
no problem. So I think I realized that I have learned about yourself before the when you come.
Yes, sir.
You met with the president of India.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I met
So tell me
President of
about
India.
that. What was
Sir,
the
the
scene of
moment
this?
is very special for me to meet a president of our India. So I just meet personally, but because I am selected for that in 150 students, and she's so sweet and generous for us.
How was the behavior of president of
She's
India?
so generous.
So then do you want to become like that?
Yes,
Like
sir.
her?
Yes, sir. I want to become like her.
Okay.
She's
So
a great lady with a
now we
great
are come
personality.
on to point.
Yes, sir.
The point is here CSBO and PBX.
Yes, sir.
So what is PBX?
So PBS is a private branch exchange. In this, telephone exchange outgoing and incoming calls are made it, and in this, it is connected with an organization to connect an external extension and manage the outgoing and incoming calls.
Okay. So PBX is a manual or automatic system?
So it is manual.
Okay. Tell me the difference between PBX and EPABX.
So EPABX is an manual, but it's automatic. With
Okay.
in this, there is no need of human.
Some of people said that EPABX is totally automatic.
Yes, sir.
Is it correct?
Yes, sir.
Or totally automatic?
Yes, sir, it's totally automatic. But in some times, there is an operator system that we have to just operate it, and then it's work
So it means
automatically.
we need
हाँ, little amount of
Okay.
as
No
compared to PBX.
So The difference is PBX is
it's manual,
okay.
and this is automatic.
Okay. Tell me, how do you transfer a call?
So firstly we have to attend the call and talk them politely, and then we have to just transfer the call. But we have to tell the person that we have in call कि we are going to transfer the call. Then after transferring the call, just
If you have come a call, like I calling you and
Yes,
I
sir.
say that hello Lipika,
Yes, sir.
do you transfer my call on extension number 101? What will you do?
Yes, sir. But firstly, I will talk to you politely, and I will give you knowledge that I
How to
am
talk to
transferring.
you?
So I'm nicely talking to you with an polite
Like
and gesture, with greeting you and just telling you in a polite language that I want to transfer your call and I am transferring your call to the extension.
without knowing my information, you will transfer my call.
No, sir. I will
So
give you the information, basic information that I am transferring your call. Then I'll transfer it.
okay. So you will not asking my name and the responsibility.
नहीं सर, मैं नहीं पूछूंगी इस चीज़ के बारे में.
This is the point. You have to follow this rule.
Okay.
Firstly, you have confirmed
Sir,
the
because-
name and the position of the
Okay,
caller.
sir. Okay,
After
sir.
that, you will connect the call or transfer the call.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So why should we hire you?
So because I am hardworking and responsible and quick to learn, I have prepared this role, understand the basic of PBX, and I am confident enough for my duties, and effectively I have a nice nature.
Uh, that things are very important for CSBO, and I hope you will select for this. So Lipika, you told us that your 12th class is from passed out from
Thanks, school.
Sainik School. So do you have met any journal?
Yes, sir. I met in jail.
What was the name of journal?
Ajay Pandey.
Ajay Pandey. So it was the Ajay Pandey.
Yes, sir.
Okay. He was in army.
Yes, sir. He was in Indian Army.
Okay. He was retired or on duty?
On duty, sir.
On duty, officer. So what do you skill learn from him?
Sir, his first of all, I just saw them, and I just been shocked that he's so polite and he's so down to earth with his duties and everything. He is doing his job very nicely, and I am motivated with him. I have to become like them.
So do you also become a polite person?
Yes, sir. For some time, I'll become polite person for everyone, and when I am in a field, then I have to become.
So like if I call you and I say hello,
Yes,
so
sir.
what is your answer?
Sir, hello too. In a
I
polite
think
way.
it's not hello, because you are going for CSBO and there are you will say Jai Hind.
Okay, sir.
First of all you will say Jai Hind sir, Jai Hind
Yes,
ma'am.
sir.
उसके बाद you will introduce yourself.
Yes,
और उसके
sir.
बाद वहाँ जो है आप सामने वाले से उसका इंट्रोडक्शन लेंगे या पूछेंगे उनकी
Yes,
इन्फॉर्मेशन कि आपको किस एक्सटेंशन नंबर पर क्यों ज्वाइन कर लेनी है. ठीक है, बहुत बढ़िया है, वेरी गुड.
Thank you, sir.
आप सेलेक्ट हो सकते हो, चांस आपके पूरे हैं. मैं चाहता हूँ बस आपको थोड़ा सा इम्प्रूवमेंट करना है बोलने में.
Yes, sir.
ठीक है, आपको इम्प्रूवमेंट करना है समझने में, आपको इम्प्रूवमेंट करना है लिसनिंग में. अगर आपने लिसनिंग अच्छी कर ली तो आप जो है बहुत अच्छा कर पाओगे.
Yes.
ठीक है, आई होप यू विल सेलेक्ट.
you,
थैंक यू लिपिका,
Thank
यू
you,
कैन
sir.
गो.
जय
थैंक यू.
हिंद, sir.
जय हिंद.